What's up guys, it's Biff FPV. I am extremely excited to bring you this video. I have been working with Flynoceros and I have my very own contribution to the frame world to bring to you. And we will go over it. Here's a little sneak peek. I can't be more thrilled about this. So without further ado, let's do one of those fancy focus transitions and then get to the bench and take a closer look. All right. We are at the bench and this is the Biff'd Serve V3. Why is it called the Biff'd Serve V3? Because the base of it is actually a Serve V3 and I created the top part of it. So that means if you already have a Serve V3 sitting at home and you want to try something different or give it a fresh look, you'll be able to actually just buy this component right here to put it on top. Along with that, in the design process, I wanted to be able to use existing camera mounts. So the top portion out here is actually the same mounting system as the BFF. So there's already plenty of prints out there. You can put a dedicated hero mount on here, a dedicated session, or you can put this little couch deal on here that works really nicely as well. You'll also see on the top, there's actually a 3D printed battery pad, which is a little uncommon to see. I figured instead of adding an extra piece of carbon to it, let's go ahead and print this. That gives your battery something nice to sit on, while at the same time you have your standoffs in between. It's still giving you that nice strength. So your lipo straps fit right in here, and through here strap it down nice and tight. And then in the back, full disclosure, the first batch that came through, we actually did not have the antenna mounting points, which I don't necessarily see as a negative thing. I like to just zip tie mine down like that. It works just fine. I've already put quite a few packs through this and it's doing very well. Some of the components I used to build, I have the Hype Train Freestyle motors. Thank you Scarecrow FPV for helping me out with those. Flight controller. The whole stack I'm recommending doing a 20 by 20. The idea of this build is to try to keep the weight down as much as you can. I actually have the Brain FPV Radix 20 by 20 and let me just tell you people, it is fantastic. Out of the box, flying it, haven't done any tuning or anything, it's already flying like a dream. Another thing that I wanted to do with this build was I wanted it to be lightweight and everything like that, but I also wanted it to fit those wonderful 5.5 inch props. I fly those on my 6 inches a lot. It's really, really great. And these, I mean, it is tight, but it fits very well. So to round it up here, this whole unit together, I've weighted with cameras and batteries, but I have not done a weight as it is how you see right here. So let's actually pull out a scale. I don't know if y'all be able to see it or not. Zero it out. And without a battery or GoPro, props and everything fully loaded, you're looking at 369 grams. That is, it's probably nothing. Yeah, forget that. Anywho, get that out of here. Start back to the show. So this will be available on the Flyno shop in the Flyno Labs category. This is where we put all the stuff that we're experimenting with and trying out. I personally think y'all are going to love this and you should give it a shot. Alrighty, let's bring it back up top. Well folks, that about wraps it up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, if you want to pick up the Biff'd Serve V3, head over to the Flyno shop and check it out in Flyno Labs. Remember, when you get over there, drop in code KHBN. That gives you 5% off and it shows them that I'm sending people that way, and that really helps me out. Thank you for tuning in. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves.